In the heart of Abu Dhabi, under the blazing sun of the Middle East, a silent storm was brewing. Pakistan's defense industry arrived at IDEX 2025 not just as an exhibitor, but as a challenger, a disruptor in modern warfare. At the forefront of this technological revolution stood GIDS, Pakistan's rising titan in precision-guided munitions, drones, and electronic warfare. Their message: the battlefield is changing and Pakistan is ready. The future of smart warfare, the Blaze series of loitering munitions made its mark. Blaze 25, Blaze 50, Blaze 75, designed to dominate electronic warfare zones with surgical precision. A strike force capable of hunting, waiting, and eliminating threats without detection. And then came the Fatah series guided rockets, powerful, precise, and relentless. Fatah I with a 140 kilometers range. Fatah II extending its lethal reach to 400 kilometers. A nightmare for enemy defenses. But Pakistan wasn't just showcasing firepower. It was demonstrating dominance. The Harbour NG anti-ship cruise missile and Timur air-launched cruise missile, each with a 280 kilometers range, proving that Pakistan's firepower extends from land to sea to the skies. Then came the AZB series precision-guided bombs, turning ordinary bombs into long-range precision weapons inspired by the American JDAM, but cheaper, deadlier, and Pakistan-made. With ranges up to 100 kilometers, these bombs redefine aerial warfare, giving Pakistan an unstoppable first strike advantage. Drones, the silent hunters of the sky, and then the Shahpar 2 Block 2 UAV. A beast in the sky, a 1,075 kilograms hunter with a 1,500 kilometers operational range, capable of tracking, locking, and eliminating threats beyond the line of sight. Pakistan's strategy is clear. Asymmetric warfare is the future. Guided munitions, electronic warfare, and cost-effective solutions will shape modern battlefields. While the West struggles with restrictions and costs, Pakistan is ready to dominate the market, and the world is watching as Pakistan's defense industry rises to compete or collaborate with global giants like the UAE's Edge Group and Turkey's defense powerhouses. This is not just an exhibition, this is a declaration. Pakistan is not just keeping up with modern warfare, it is leading the way. The future of war is being shaped today. And Pakistan is ready. This is Jonathan Walters, and you've been watching Uncover History. Stay tuned for more hard-hitting defense analysis, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.